Hi, I'm Rita. I'm here to teach you Class 3, Semester 2, English. English 1. Damon and Pythias. 1. Damon and Pythias. Reading. Friendship is a relationship between two people who like each other. This is the story of two friends, Damon and Pythias. They were ready to die for each other. Character: Damon, Pythias, two young men, also good friends. Dionysus, the ruler of Syracuse. Narrator: Soldiers 1, 2, 3. Many years ago, two friends lived in the city of Syracuse. They were Damon and Pythias. They were best friends. The ruler of Syracuse, named Dionysus, was a cruel man, so people had to face many hardships. Dionysus had a large and strong army. He used the soldiers as pigs. They went round listening to what people said about the king. Then they told the king all they heard. One day, a soldier heard Pythias talking about the king.
You there? How dare you speak bad words about your king? What's your name? My name is Pythias, and I speak the truth.
Arrest him and take him to the king.
Pythias was brought before the king Dionysus. He stood there boldly and showed no fear at all.
My soldiers tell me that you do not like my laws. Is that true?
Nobody in this country likes your laws, but they are afraid to speak the truth.
Do you want me to believe that you are the only person in this city who is not afraid?
I don't know about that, Your Majesty. What I do know is that I speak the truth.
Soldiers, throw this man into prison at once. He thinks he is going to tell me how to rule my country. Ha ha ha. When the sun rises on the 10th day from today, this man will be hanged. Let this be a lesson for anyone who tries to tell me how to rule.
The soldiers tied Pythias' hands and took him to prison. In the meanwhile, Damon was looking for his friend. When he heard that Pythias was in prison, he went rushing to see him. After a long time, the prison guard agreed to let him meet Pythias.
My dear Pythias, I am sad to see you like this. What can I do? How can I get you out of here?
I have spoken the truth. I am ready to die for it. God knows that I have not done any wrong.
I am proud of you, Pythias. Tell me please, how I can help you?
Please look after my mother and my sister after I die.
Don't worry, I will look after them well. But you must see them once before you die.
How is it possible? They live a long way away. Dionysus will never let me go.
We will tell him that I will take your place. If you do not return in time, he can kill me in your place.
No, Damon, I can't let you do such a foolish thing.
His words were of no use as Damon was already on his way to the king.
Your Majesty, I have come to request you to permit Pythias to go home to see his mother. This is his last wish.
How do I know he will return?
Your Majesty, I will take his place. If something stops him from returning on time, I will die in his place.
Foolish man, I don't think you know what you are saying.
But Your Majesty, I do. Pythias is my best friend. I know he will keep his word.
I find this hard to believe. Let me see if you really mean it. I will test you. I will let you exchange places. Pythias must be back by noon on the 10th day from today. If he does not return in time, then you will die in his place.
Damon then told Pythias to go home. Pythias was unhappy to leave his friend in prison. He hurried home so that he could come back in time. He made arrangements to take care of his mother and sister. Then he said to them, sadly, he was unlucky. On the way, he had to cross a forest. Some robbers caught him. They stole all his money and tied him to a tree. It took him a long time to free himself. He was very tired and weak with hunger. He still had a long way to go. Meanwhile, in the city, people were waiting for Pythias. The king went to visit Damon.
Well, what do you have to say now? Where is your best friend?
There must be something wrong. I know Pythias is a true friend.
You have only 2 hours left. If he does not return by then, you must die.
I will do so happily, Your Majesty.
2 hours passed by very quickly. Pythias did not come. The soldiers came to Damon. They took him to the place of hanging.
Stop! I am back. Some robbers caught me. Let him go. It is I that must die. Thank God I am on time.
Everyone was quiet. They could not believe that these two friends were willing to die for each other.
Today, for the first time in my life, I have understood the meaning of real friendship. I have never seen such friends. You are ready to die for each other. I cannot kill such a friendship. I have decided to set both of you free.
The people cheered the king, and Damon and Pythias thanked God for a new life.